Hola! In today's video, I am going to go over 3 different mistakes that I see flamenco dancers do as they're learning to be more expressive in marcaje, in their marking steps. And these mistakes make the whole marcaje movement look kind of jumbled and kind of messy, as opposed to being clear, strong, and expressive. If you are new here, I am Rina Orellana. I am a professional flamenco dancer with over 25 years of experience. I teach locally at my studio in the Los Angeles area, and I also teach online in my Online Flamenco Studio, and you can find out more information in the description below. So let's begin. So this sequence here that we're going to be reviewing is in the 12 count of flamenco. So 12 count could be alegrías, solea por bulería, guajira. And this marcaje step, very, very standard. And this is where I see many flamenco students, you know, have their challenges with. Okay, so first off, what the main step is: out, cross out, back forward, forward, cross. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, the first mistake is the dancer is not really clear on the compás, or the accents in the compás. So I know that when you're first learning flamenco, that 12 count is just, it's crazy weird, right? But remember that, you know, you have the accents of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And generally, you are going to be using those accents on 12, 3, 6, 8, 10 with your marcaje, generally. Of course, there's always the exceptions for what's going on, but especially in this one, you want to hit those accents of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. So instead of kind of mushing through the movement, you want to be able to hit those accents with your marcaje. Okay? So again, instead of just gliding through it, you want to hit them. And I don't mean like I don't mean like, you know, very strong with sound, but it just does mean with intention of where you place your foot and how with intention, with strength and confidence. So let's just practice that with our hands on our hips. So we're going to have and out, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so that was one. The next one, number 2, is actually relaxing the hips and relaxing the knees. So I see many dancers trying the marcaje, but they're very stiff, and so it looks kind of Frankenstein-like. So you want to be able to relax the knees and relax the hips. So allow your hips to flow through the movement, and to be able to get those hips to go through the movement, you have to relax the knees. All right, and I don't mean like you're just dancing with your bent knees. That's just kind of awkward, but you want to be able to be pliable, all right? So think pliable thoughts here. So hands on the hips for right now, and we want to relax the knees, relax the hips. So out, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-da, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum. So the difference, again, if you're up here, ba-dum, ba, up here, it's kind of stiff and awkward. Bum, ba, ba-da, ba. And now if you want to relax the hips, relax the knees, a little bit more pleasant. Ba-da, ba-da. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, the third mistake is actually not having a breath in between the movement and the compás. So it's just kind of being the same intensity the entire time of like, I'm just going, I'm gonna go through the movement. But you wanna be able to, you're dancing, you're expressing yourself. So you need to be able to breathe. And so by that, I mean that you are, ba-dum-ba, here we go. Ba-dum, ba-dum, breath here. Ba-dum, ba, breath. Ba-dum, 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 ba. Ba-dum, 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 ba. Ba-dum, ba-dum. Now, I don't want you hyperventilating to get through the movement, but it's just the concept of like there's the little pieces of respiro, of little breath within the movement for transitions. So you breathe through the transitions and it's just more pleasant that way. All right, so let's practice that one more time. So you have and out, and 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. Ole. All right, so those were the 3 mistakes that I see all the time. So one was not really accenting the compás, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum. And then the next one was relaxing the knees, relaxing the hips, relax the knees, relax the hips, and then it was taking the breath. Ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, and now you get a bonus one. Another mistake is when trying to actually coordinate the arms with the legs. And when you're starting out, it's very confusing to coordinate it all, right? So to do that, to get that coordination is you need to have the bottom locked in. You have to have that compás in your legs locked in before you can really add the upper body effectively. So the first way we do that is just practicing having one arm first, and then we add the back arm. So the one arm first would be just the front arm down, rounded in the front, and working on the hands. So you're gonna go out, ba-dum, ba, and then in as you transition. And out, ba-dum, ba, and in as you transition. All right, so first we'll just practice having one arm and then transition, okay? And then we'll add the hand. So that would be out, ba-dum, ba, transition, 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 out, ba-dum, ba, and then bring the arm up. Again, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum. Now let's work on that hand. So we're gonna go out, and then as we transition, we go in with the hand, all right? So we have, and we're not doing anything with the back arm yet. So we have, and out, ba-dum, ba, in, ba-dum, ba-dum, and out, and in, ba-dum, ba-dum, chest up, ba-dum, and arm rounded, so you don't want to keep the arm too straight at all. And remember, relax the knees and the hips, breathe, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, bum, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum. And now, I guess the extra bonus, let's work on that back arm. So you want to start controlling both arms. So you're going to be, the back arm is still going to also do the hands of out, ba-dum, ba, and in, ba-dum, ba-dum. So I'm going out, ba-dum, ba, and in, ba-dum, ba-dum, and out, ba-dum, ba, and in, ba-dum, ba-dum. So that back arm is just going to be low down here with the movement. And if it gets too confusing, you just keep your hands on your hip. It's totally fine. So let's practice that. And 8, 9, 10, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Ah, ba-dum, ba, and ba, ba-dum, ba-dum, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Ole. So let's practice that little sequence and all those little elements that we want to work on with some solo compás. So we're here, 12 and 2, 3, ba-dum, ba, ta-ka-tan, ta-ka-tan. So we're locking in with the compás, 6, 8, 10, and chest up, ba-dum, ba, ba. Just make sure that you're hitting the accents, ba, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba, ba-dum, ba, and ba, ba-dum, ba-dum. And now relax the hips, relax the knees, ba, ba-dum, ba-dum. Relax the hips, relax the knees. And ba-dum. Relax the hips, relax the knees. And now the breath of relaxing and breath. Ba-dum, ba-dum. Okay, now we're going to add one arm, 8, 9, 10, and out, ba-dum, ba, ba, ba-da, ba-da, and in, ba-dum, ba-da, and out, in, ba-dum, ba-da, and 12, 1, 2, 3. All right, now both arms and out, chest up, in, ba-da, ba-da, and out, and in, ba-da, ba-da, and out, and in, and out, and in. Ole. I hope you got a lot out of the video and were able to clean up that marcaje. Be sure to practice on your own using solo compás, always in compás. And if you want to continue your studies with me, I invite you to join me inside my online flamenco studio, where I have courses for new beginners and through advanced levels in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. We have a vibrant community with lots of going on, and I would love to have you in there. You can find a link for your free 10-day trial in the description below. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Ciao.